Okay.
Alright, so basically you need to use a tool that you can reference against your workpiece. In our case we're going to use a Haimer because it's just easy, really easy to work with. So you're going to reference all of your tools that you have to this Haimer. So you can imagine as it goes in the tool holder, the difference in height between the tip of the Haimer and the tip of the tool is that much there, and that's all we need to measure. If, for example, you had a longer tool and it's sticking out past the Haimer, it's going to be either negative or positive. It doesn't matter as long as you get the right offset when you're inputting it into the controller. So, jog down. Okay, so on the Z-axis setter, the analog Z-axis setter, that surface there, and the way it goes in like that, when they meet, that is 0. So I've touched the tip of the Haimer to the top of the block, so we know that point and that surface there is going to be on the same spot as 0. So on the controller, go to coordinate screen, edit, pull up the Z coordinate, end of block, and you can see there now it's got a 0 absolute value. So just jog up and pop the tool in. Our favorite custom tool. Cool, 0. So, go to EXP. Let's do this tool 36. So edit, down tool 36, and you want to bring up the value that is the Z-axis at this exactly on that point. So it's negative 70.153 end of block, and now you can see that it corresponds with the value under the Z-axis. And then you just can continue doing this with all of your tools, however many tools you want to use, and they all will be relative to the height of your reference tool or Haimer. So when you touch down on your workpiece, say that's your workpiece over there, coordinate screen, Z value, edit, Z end of block, and there's a 0 there, and all the tools in your tool list will be relative to that 0 position. Brilliant.